Shapely paintbrushes actually start in the kitchen. You'll want to get a sulfate-free gentle shampoo. A shampoo like this works great, or also like a baby shampoo. Get your brushes that need to be shaped. I have a lot of them because I have a 3-year-old, enough said. And then just a vessel for cleaning. All right, we'll begin by putting a squirt of shampoo into the bottom of the vessel. So something like, see that? And then put some water in. I'm shooting for about half a cup. And now just swish your brush around in that shampoo water to clean it. When you're done, it'll look a little sudsy. And then go ahead and rinse off any shampoo. Your brush is now clean and ready for the gum arabic. So now what you're doing is acting as the hairstylist for your brush, essentially. So you just dip it in the gum arabic. Think of this as styling gel. And then just shape the brush how it's supposed to be. And you can set it aside. What I like to do at this point is put the brushes in a mug and leave them alone for a few hours or overnight to dry. I've let my brushes sit overnight and they are super hardened. So once your brushes are at this point, they're completely dry. You're just going to swish them around in water one at a time for just a bit. And after you've done this, you'll feel it and you'll think, oh my gosh, this is still really hard. Well, at this point, I just kind of like to go like this under the water to coax the gum arabic off, just kind of pinching the bristles. And then you'll start to feel that it's nice and smooth. Because the gum arabic is water soluble, it comes off with water. And then just take a paper towel and get any excess water off. And your paintbrush is nice and shapely again.